Ever wondered if a public holiday declared for a significant event, like the inauguration of the Ayodhya Ram Mandir, applies to the private sector? Well, let's unravel this legal mystery together. Firstly, we need to understand that the declaration of a public holiday by the government under the Negotiable Instruments Act of 1881 is not compulsory or mandatory for private companies. These companies fall under the Factories Act of 1948 and the State Shop and Establishment Act. The declaration of a public holiday primarily applies to banks, financial institutions, and respective government departments. So, what is the Negotiable Instruments Act of 1881 all about? It's an act that defines and amends the law relating to promissory notes, bills of exchange, and checks. According to this act, when the day of maturity of a promissory note or bill of exchange falls on a public holiday, it's deemed to be due on the next business day. But remember, the term public holiday here includes Sundays and any other day declared by the central government to be a public holiday. Yet, a careful reading of this act reveals that its scope is limited to government sector, banks, and financial institutions. It doesn't apply to a private industry. This interpretation is backed by a Supreme Court judgment in the case of Tara and others versus Director, Social Welfare and others in 1998, and a judgment by the Madras High Court in the case of the Management of versus the Presiding Officer in 2019. To wrap it up, while the government can declare a public holiday under the Negotiable Instruments Act of 1881, it's not mandatory for private companies to observe it. This act primarily affects the functioning of banks, financial institutions, and government departments. We hope you found this legal exploration enlightening. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to Compliance Monk for more such insightful content. Feel free to share your thoughts, queries, or feedback in the comments section. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep questioning and keep learning.